In interview, they may ask you questions to explain entire rule resolution algorithm, difference between withdrawn and blocked, something like that also. Okay, let's go ahead now and proceed further. This is the internal design of Pega. This is the internal design of Pega rules process commander for rule processing. So we understood the internal design of Pega for user interface design, attachments concept, class table mapping relation, that is also internal design, and we understood the internal design of Pega for rule processing to find the best instance of rule. Okay, make sense, clear everyone? And next, so let's continue. Next we are going to deal with operator ID access group. We are done. Okay, next we are going to talk about assignment. What is the topic? Assignment. This is going to talk about internal design of Pega for assignment shape, and we call it as a task. So during the transaction processing, when a work object reaches an assignment, what happens in the background? What happens in the background? What are the details about assignment? It will take around 3 days to explain. Okay, theory, practical, like that will go. So hereafter practicals will begin. Okay, during this practicals only decision tree also will be working on. Okay, total assignments shape explanation will take 3 to 4 days. Okay, I'll give you an introduction today. Assignment. Generally, what is the meaning of assignment? Assignment means task. How many tasks can be there within one single transaction? N number of tasks will be there. Suppose, what do you do with the task in real world? Suppose you have initiated a loan transaction, that is entire work object. Within one single transaction, how many tasks can be there? How many can be there? There can be n number of tasks. Who are going to do work on those tasks? Is it only one person work on all tasks in loan processing, or multiple different employees, or whomever you call, are going to involve finishing task by task? How it will work out? Different people are going to involve. So first, one person will be there. Loan agent. Loan agent task is collect the documents and submit at the backend branch. That is task 1. So collected documents. After documents collection is over, next task is review or verify the documents and details collected. Who will do this task? Is this loan agent going to do? No, someone else is going to do it. Reviewer. After reviewing is over, it will be further sent for, let's say, after review is over, it can go for approval. Who will approve? Reviewer will approve? No. Another manager will be there who is going to again verify everything and comments. He is going to either approve or reject based on some criteria. After approval from manager is over, finally it has to again go to some customer care person. Customer care person is going to call the customer and say that, are you okay to proceed with this particular loan? This is a processing fees and all. If he says okay, he will tick mark and say customer approved, and his task will be completed. Then it will go to finance team. So means at every step, someone is involved to work on that particular task, and he is going to open the task, okay, and finish the task. So this is what you are designing as a transaction model. So when a work object reaches a particular task, means an assignment, that assignment should be given ownership to someone. That assignment should be given ownership to someone. Ownership means who should work on this particular assignment. Who should work on this particular assignment? That means, see, if I have got one requirement, suppose we are, generally you take software company, we are working in a project, we get the requirements, right? So who will get the requirements? Your team lead will get the requirements. What does a team lead will do? The requirement will be taken by team lead, and team lead will assign that particular requirement to team members. So he has got 5 requirements, 5 assignments are there. Assignment 1, person 1, employee 1. Assignment 2, employee 2. Like that it has to be done. In the same way, in any transaction model, when you are designing the transaction model and defining the task, at the time of this design and defining itself, you should decide who should work on this particular task, and the team lead assigning task to someone. No, assigning task can be assigned, task can be assigned. So here assigning task is called as routing. So what is task means assignment, task is equal to assignment, correct? So assignment can be routed. So the concept we are going to discuss with assignment is routing concept. What is the concept? Routing means assigning task to an operator. Routing means assigning task means what? Assignment. You are going to assign an assignment that is called as routing. Understand clear everyone? So routing concept, service level agreement concept, these are related to assignment only. So we'll be discussing in detail about this assignment as we proceed further in the next few days. Now see, routing can be done in two different ways. I'll tell you one example. See, I want I want to prepare one document, actually one technical document related to Pega. I want to prepare. You are also I have my students. You guys are also knowledgeable about the technical topic. Either I can prepare by myself or I can ask you to prepare. Now I want to route that assignment task to you guys so that you can finish and give me. Now there are two ways I can do. See, I can reach out to you to assign you task by WhatsApp. See, I have all of your personal WhatsApp numbers. So when I am going to send a WhatsApp message to someone here personally, that is going to land into your personal inbox of your WhatsApp. Correct? So can anyone see that message? Can anyone else see that message from this particular training group? If I am going to send a message to Ramesh only in his WhatsApp personal, anyone else from our group of students here can see that message? No one can see. Means I am routing, I am assigning task dedicatedly to some specific operator, some specific person called operator. Understand? This way I can assign a task. There is another way I can do. For all of you, there is one common place which you can see. What is that? What is that? WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp group.
So same task, I can also send it in WhatsApp group. If I send a task in WhatsApp group saying that someone please prepare this particular document and help me. Okay. Then how many people can see this task? Let's say 30 members are there in group. All 30 can see. All 30 can see. But how many of them should actually have to pick the task and work on it? All 30 should work on it. Anyone is going to prepare a document and give it to me, pretty much fine. Someone said that I picked this, I am going to work on it. No need for other 29 people to pick it, generally speaking. So assignment task can be assigned in two ways. Task can be assigned by routing to a dedicated operator, one approach. Task can be assigned by routing into a common basket, basket means that in our example, that WhatsApp group window is common basket only. One common bucket is there. In the common bucket I am placing. All of you have access to the bucket. All of you can see. Any one of you please pick, that is enough. Right? Clear everyone? So every one of you, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what about two ways of routing. So two ways of routing. Just introduction all this. That is routing to two ways of routing I'm talking about. Types of routing is different. Ways of routing, two ways, two different routes. Okay. Routing to operator. This is dedicated person. Routing to work basket. What is that? Common bucket. Basket. Are you? This is old terminology. Work queue is latest terminology, but basket is making better sense actually. That's okay. So previously we used to call work basket. Now we are calling work queue from Pega 7 onwards. Okay. So routing to operator means only that operator can see. Routing to work queue, or you also call it a basket, means basket will be visible to multiple people. Work group, WhatsApp group is visible to multiple people. No, same way. Basket is visible to multiple people. Multiple people can go inside basket and see the task. But remember, only one person can open the task and work on it because of default lock. Anyone opens the task, lock will be acquired. Others cannot open. Okay. Task should be generally worked on only by any one operator. Okay. So if you want out of group of people anyone to pick the task and work on it, route to work queue. If you want only dedicated person to work on it, route to operator. There is another one, actually three ways, I'm sorry. Okay, business logic. What is another one? Business logic. What is meant by business logic? Business logic means conditionally decide to route to either operator, operators, or other work queues. Understand clear everyone? So conditionally at runtime, see here I will say operate route to user 1, done. Here I will say route to work basket 1, done. Here I will not say which one to route it. I will write one condition. Three conditions I will write. First condition satisfied, route to manager 1. Not satisfied, second is satisfied, route to manager 2. That is also not satisfied, third is satisfied, route to work queue 1. I can decide at runtime by using decision tree. By using what? We use decision tree here. Understand clear everyone? This is the basic details and information about routing. All of you are clear everyone? Online students. You got an idea about what is meant by routing and what are three different ways of routing?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
We'll continue tomorrow. Okay? This topic will continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
December 11, 2024. Assignment. Thank you for joining everyone. We'll continue tomorrow. I'll be sharing these documents.
Okay.